During the mid-19th century, economics and politics in Europe underwent rapid changes, and science and education took on ever-increasing importance. Riga took over the most modern technical model for universities in Europe, and the first technical university in the Baltics opened its doors in 1862. Approved by the Tsar of Russia himself, the Riga Polytechnic School, later the Riga Polytechnic Institute, was established, and this became one of the most important events in Latvian history. The mid-19th century was a time in Latvia when the first rail line was opened in Riga, and there were experiments with steel ships and steam engines. Electric lights were demonstrated in the Schwarz concert garden, the first electric tram in the Baltics was installed, new residential buildings and financial and institutional buildings were erected. Riga changed. Students and instructors at the Riga Polytechnic School were people who made the world turn more rapidly. Thanks to scientific and technological achievements, Riga flourished, and it changed from a city of trade and crafts into a developed industrial center. Riga was the place where the Russian Empire manufactured its first automobiles and aviation motors, constructed original airplanes, built Caterpillar chain battle machines, and established major industrial factories in the city. The new companies required well-educated engineers. Graduates of the university became distinguished engineers, chemists, architects, and economists. The knowledge of specialists trained in Latvia was very much appreciated in Estonia, Lithuania, Russia, Germany, Poland, Ukraine, and many other countries. One of the most distinguished persons from that time is Wilhelm Ostwald, the only man from the Baltics to win a Nobel Prize. Working with the then unknown Swedish chemist Svante Arrhenius and student Paul Walden, Ostwald became the father of modern physical chemistry. Arrhenius too won the Nobel Prize, and he was elected as an honorary member of the Riga Polytechnic Institute. Paul Walden, for his part, is viewed as the most distinguished scientist of Latvian origin. The Walden inversion and the related stereochemical reaction remain of importance in science today. Friedrich Zander was born in Riga and conducted his research in interplanetary travel. He continued his work in Moscow, where he led a team to produce one of the Soviet Union's first rockets with liquid fuel. Mikhail Dolivo-Dobrovolsky invented the three-phase electric generator in 1889 and then the three-phase transformer. He led a team which produced the first high-voltage power delivery cable in the world. The first professional Latvian architect, too, was educated at the Riga Polytechnic School. Konstantins Pēkšēns designed beautiful buildings for many cities in Latvia. In Riga, he designed more than 250 wood and stone buildings. Pēkšēns worked during the 19th century period of eclecticism and the brilliant style of Riga Art Nouveau as well. Students are never afraid of taking risks, making mistakes, and going to great lengths to achieve their goals. They always surprise the world with their unique inventions. Over the course of 150 years, the Riga Polytechnic School has expanded and laid the foundations for engineering studies in Latvia today. The Riga Technical University is Latvia's only multi-sector technical university, and 15,000 young people are students there. Latvia's best scientists provide their knowledge to future generations, and the research that is done at the university is unique and of global importance. The young scientists at the Riga Technical University have successfully become a part of the international scientific environment. Professor Māris Turks teaches material science and applied chemistry. After studies at the Riga Technical University, Switzerland, and the United States, he returned to Latvia to conduct research at his alma mater and to teach young people. Professor Turks leads teams in several research areas. One is an examination of new anti-cancer medications. We use biologically active substances, and we deal with compounds which, in future, might prove to be good anti-cancer treatments. We've also discovered substances which lower body temperature and prevent infections. Kaspars Kalniņš is a senior researcher at the Faculty of Civil Engineering. He and his colleagues are conducting research that is of importance to ship and automobile manufacturers. They are also designing new generations of wings for airplanes. Kalniņš was the first researcher from Latvia to perform research at the European Space Agency. At the Riga Technical University, I study composite materials as well as their strength and load-bearing capacity. In future, we will design much lighter, stronger, and safer elements of aviation. Doctoral student Guntis Kulikovskis at the Institute of Mechanics designed a robot which won the silver medal at the world's leading robotic competition in the United States. The sumo robots have also won awards at European robotic competitions. Guntis also designed a robotic fish together with experienced researchers at the Institute of Mechanics, and the Latvian Academy of Sciences listed it as one of the top scientific achievements of the year. We use our knowledge to face the challenge of creating swimming, driving, and even flying robots which will soon be used by people to dust surfaces at home and to be a part of robotic greenhouses in the field of agriculture. These are our dreams and our reality. The Institute of Industrial Electronics and Electrical Engineering, for its part, is designing new equipment to improve the quality of electricity and the efficiency of power consumption. We design power transformers to improve the quality of electricity and to increase the efficiency of power consumption. Various transformers of this type will be an automatic component of any and all electricity delivery systems in the future. Such transformers will also become more popular in the household sector. The Riga Technical University is developing all the time. RTU, a city within a city, is one of the dreams that have come true. A center for scientific research and education is being built in the heart of Riga at Kipsala. It will always be open to new ideas, equipped with the latest research equipment, ready for challenges, and prepared for the changes that are dictated by the spirit of the era. It will be a center for the most talented technical minds, the best researchers, instructors, and students from all around the world. Students and professors at the Riga Technical University want to live, work, and conduct research in a beautiful, comfortable, and modern environment. I am sure that the people who established our university in 1862 would be proud of our achievements and our future goals.